Are you looking for best portable carpet cleaners? Food spills, pet messes and dirt stains from normal wear and tear can make carpeting, upholstery, even the interior of your car look dirty and worn. While you could go to work with a carpet stain remover spray and a cloth, a corded or cordless portable carpet cleaner can suck up wet spills better than a cloth and powers through stains often better than you can by hand, and they're nimble and easier to use than a full-sized carpet cleaner. At the point when the Great Housekeeping Foundation Home Consideration and Cleaning Lab assesses convenient floor covering cleaning machines, we test how well they lift new and set in food, soil and different stains, and that they are so natural to fill, vacant, clean and store. We additionally survey their weight, that they are so natural to move and that they are so agreeable to utilize and hold. Here is the 7 best portable carpet cleaners, according to testing. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. Lightweight and compact design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plastic handle material. Good for pet messes, high traffic areas, and small spaces. Heat force for faster drying so you can get back on your carpets quickly. Then the competitive lightweight carpet cleaner. Comes with a Hoover nozzle cleanout tool and a Hoover trial size solution to help enhance your cleaning performance. Number 2, Bissell Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. Our most powerful portable spot and stain cleaner for carpets, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Permanently removes tough messes and protects from future stains with the power of Stain Protect. Includes a 6-inch stair tool, which makes cleaning stairs easy. Also comes with a 3-inch tough stain tool and a trial-size bottle of Pro Max Clean with Protect formula. Number 3, McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including ceramic tile, grout, granite and more. The 48-ounce water tank heats up in less than 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of steam with optional lockable steam trigger for continuous steam cleaning. Equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, brass brush, scrub pad, squeegee, and more. Number 4, Bissell SpotClean Portable Carpet Cleaner. Our most powerful portable spot and stain cleaner for carpets, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. Provides a deep clean that leaves you with professional style results. Combines superior suction, scrubbing action and professional cleaning solution to remove stubborn pet stains, embedded dirt and more. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Includes a stain trapper tool to catch the dirtiest pet messes. Also comes with a 3-inch tough stain tool and 2 trial-size Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formulas. Number 5, Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner machine deep cleans and eliminates pet stains and odors for professional grade results. Portable, lightweight, compact design, features carpet-friendly wheels and a retractable handle. Perfect for everyday cleaning, spring cleaning, touch-ups or deep-down cleaning. Easily removes embedded dirt, stains and everyday pet accidents like urine and vomit. Handheld dual-action pet tool with rubberized bristles removes pet hair, tough stains and odors. Number 6, Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Removes spots and stains. Lift away messes from carpets, upholstery, car interiors and more. Remove tough pet stains with strong spray and suction. Large tank capacity. 48 ounces tank means you can clean more between refills. Comes with 3-inch tough stain tool, hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool and an 8 ounces trial size spot and stain with Febreze freshness formula. Number 7, Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet Cleaner. Achieve ultimate portability with this lightweight design to reach and remove stains virtually anywhere. Spray, scrub, and remove anything from pet messes to everyday mishaps. Easily reach spots and stains on carpet, upholstery, stairs and more with the 5-feet hose. Flushes the hose after each use to help remove dirt and bacteria. Dual tank technology, keep clean and dirty water separate so you can easily fill, empty and rinse the tanks.